Hello, I'm Aaron with Carolina Bamboo, and this is bamboo charcoal. So we're going to open this up and see what we got. And this charcoal is made out of Madake from one of our groves. Looks like it turned out pretty good.
Wow.
Looks like it shrunk down too, because these cans were all at the very top when I started this yesterday. And they weren't curved either. They were all straight. We haven't been able to figure out why it makes that blue color.
It's magic.
But it's pretty beautiful. And the arrow, we did some arrow bamboo the other day, and it has that blue color too. So don't know exactly what that's about, but it's pretty cool. That one. And I'm gonna get two of them and I'll break them on each other. Oh, that one's nice. I'm not gonna break that one. Let's see. They're all so nice. Look at that color. That's so cool. Let me grab this thin one here. Let's see. We find that sound very satisfying. It doesn't have the color. Dump this with the rest of our growing collection. I've been doing this for 2 days now. I plan to increase the operation to 55-gallon drums, but I got to build a whole other build for that. And then behind you, I'll pull this over. That's the arrow bamboo. And we're thinking this is going to be good for artists. We've been doing some practicing with drawing with it, but listen to this. Such a satisfying noise.